Today we'll talk about how can you disable email notifications on your Threads app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this way, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, click in this sign down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. You go above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on notifications. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You click here on email notifications, just click on it. Then you come to next step here, just come here to reminder emails. You come to off, click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean here email notifications disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.